Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you something really interesting that I've been working on for the past couple of months, and it's something that I actually just built for myself for my own needs really. I was messing around vibe coding, which means you're using AI builders to create websites or apps, and I wanted to create a dashboard for traders because I love dashboards. I love having a big screen up with all these different things, stats and feeds and videos and what have you. And I thought it would be really cool to have one dashboard that has access to all the different platforms and brokers that I'm trading with, all of my statistics there broken down or brought together, having YouTube feeds like Bloomberg live, RSS feeds, so feeding in from all these different financial RSS feeds all the time, and maybe make them relevant to the things that I'm trading currently. So I wanted to sort of see how far I could take it. And I got to all these different levels of complexity with it. And I was so amazed at what I managed to create that I actually productized it and called it TraderDash. And what I'm doing is I'm going to open it up to be free to use for any of you guys for the next few months, just because I want people to get their hands on it, test it, see if it's something that they would actually also find useful as I do, because I use it quite a lot. The other day when um, I was trading and I was about to put a position long on US dollar CAD, and I was just checking my stop loss. I was checking the what value the stop loss was at, and all of a sudden I was like, "Hey, that's not right." And I looked at the chart, and this huge, great big red candle had shot down, uh, and I was like, "Oh, something's happened," because my P&L started to go the complete opposite way to how it had been trending. And the first thing I did was open my own app that I created, TraderDash, and I saw in all these RSS feeds all the news coming through, and then Bloomberg, which I had on my dashboard, came up with, Donald Trump announced that he's had talks with Iran, blah 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 blah. And so that was the first place I got my information, was from my own tool, which I was really I found really cool. And I sort of wanted to share that with you guys and just see if it's something that you thought was interesting and fun. It's definitely designed for retail traders. This isn't something that's going to provide you with deep analysis of like options pricing. It is using, for now at least, existing APIs and widgets that are out there to connect in. But it's bringing it all together, so you don't have to have all these different windows up, all these different tabs open, and you can move them around and make it completely how you want it. So I'm gonna show you a little bit about the platform, how it works, and hopefully it's something that you want to sign up for and check out. And as I said, in the next few months, if there's anything that you would like to see in it, or you've got any feedback for how it works, then I'd absolutely love it if you were to reach out to me and just give me that information. I've actually put a little widget on the site that you can click. It opens up in a side panel, and you can just type in, I'd like to see this feature, and then other users can upvote that if they also would find it useful. So by all means use that. But if there's something a bit more information that you need to give me, then there's email forms on the site, and I'll be reaching out to you with a personal email whenever you sign up anyway. So I haven't set up any automated emails yet, super early in the journey. So if you get an email from me, it is from me. It's been typed out. So I quite like this early stage of a startup journey. For some context, I actually have run my own software startups for over 10 years. And last year, decided to step back to spend more time doing the things I love, like trading content. And so this is a sort of reversion back to, I couldn't sort of stay away from software for long enough, but it came about quite organically, really, just from me creating something for myself. So this is something that, if it were to prove useful for people, that I would take more seriously, I think. Anyway, let's have a look at the screens. So as you can see, this is TraderDash. This is the dashboard that I currently have up. And, I've got it on news flow right now. So this is giving me primarily my news. But if I were using it more for trading, then I'd change to a different dashboard that's got sort of lot size calculators, economic calendars, I can add whatever I want, really. I've got all these different widgets that I could add: recent trades, performance by hour, macroeconomic map, Forex heat maps, all sorts of things. And I'm just continually adding to this over time as we get more and more ideas. Right now, it's got all the things that I would want, but I'm sure that there's plenty of things that you guys can give me ideas for. Yeah, it's got watch lists, so you can set up whichever watch lists you like. I've set up Forex, commodities, indices. These are the things that I commonly watch. And you can just sort of toggle through these and do your own technical analysis. Sell. I'm joking. But yeah, it's even got fun little so ignore the pricing for now. Obviously this is like how it could end up being in the future, but right now it's going to be free. So yeah, it's you can make it full screen as well, so it takes up the entire screen and looks seamless. There's loads of features in this, and I'm just adding stuff all the time. But right now, I really just want people to test it out, see if it's something that they can make a product which is a mainstay on their computer screens. I think one of the beautiful things about this is that it is just so early stage. I've got sort of about 30, 40 people signed up on the site already, but I just want to get more active users and make the experience better and richer. So yeah, that's my app that I've created. So if you find value in that, or you think it'd be a bit of fun, then please go and sign up and reach out and say hello. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I'll do more updates about the product and the updates that I've made to it based on your feedback. And I know this isn't something which is central to your trading activity. It's something which is just a nicety to have. And for that reason, I'm never going to be charging big bucks for it. But I do think that it's something which is a nice thing to have, so people might pay a bit for it. And who knows where this could go? It could end up being a really insanely useful analysis tool. I could see it going that way. But I do need your help to tell me what it is you want to see. For me, I have quite simple needs. I built it for myself. It works. It's great, and I enjoy it. I check my trading performance analytics there, and I can bring them all together and see how I'm performing across all my accounts. And then I've got all of my news feeds, RSS feeds. It's all there. So you've got it free for a few months. Go and use it. Reach out to me. Give me feedback. Help me make it better. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in one of the next videos. Thank you for listening, guys. Bye.